Shalom, all praises, honor, and glory unto Yahweh, Ba'asham, Yahweh Ba'asham, Rachak, Kwadash. Double honors to the elders and the apostles of Great Millstone who were pushing this 100% of the gospel, waking up and sealing the elect of the nation of Israel through the spirit and power of Yahweh, Ba'asham, Yahweh and salutations to the sincere Akimada that are pushing this gospel in righteousness and sincerity, risking your lives and your freedom to do so. Alright, so Esau is in a war path right now. So my main channel, which I changed the name of course to the New Song Nigeria 144. It got struck, it got a copyright. No, it didn't get a copyright strike. I got a strike on my channel. Basically for I don't even know which video. I don't even know which video I put up. But anyway, let me just go into this article. That article. I went to the message that YouTube sent me, and it reads, "Hi, the New Song Nigeria. Basically, they reviewed my content and they removed this video. Which was the re-upload, of course, going into Fauci them talking about how that there was no need to wear a mask for the pandemic, and then later him changing his mouth, no, but and then I got a second strike, or actually this is my first strike, and now I can't post videos for a whole week. All right, for now, I got a backup channel anyway, but anyway, just wanted to bring out this information and maybe get a few scriptures concerning this, because he is really going down. He is really getting down right now. As the scripture says, that is going into the book of Daniel 7 verse 25, that he would wear out the saints with what he does, and this is just basic Esau's wickedness, man. Okay, so the first strike that I got, I could say that okay, that was my fault. I should have been more careful with the words I used, because I knew we knew that he would start going down on people's channels, and in just in case any of you Israelites out there are getting any wise ideas talking about how how men should be using the correct term instead of saying Maxine and things like that, or C19 or Crown Royal 19, just so you know, my channel got flagged because I did not use because I did not choose my words properly, and I used the V word. Basically I used the C word and I used all those words, and my channel got flagged, and then my channel got flagged again because a video or I re-uploaded, not even of me speaking those words, but of Dr. Fauci himself using those same terminologies. It got struck, and now I have a second flag on my channel. So this is just a brief way into you Akimade that are pushing this word, man. But choose your words carefully from now on, because he is on the war path. Okay, he's censoring channels as hard as he can. He's censoring the truth out here. Which makes you think of which makes me think of a precept right very quickly. Let me go to that. Book of Ezekiel, chapter 13, the 22nd verse. Ezekiel chapter 13 verse 22. Because with lies ye have made the hearts of the righteous sad, whom I have not made sad, and strengthened the hands of the wicked, that he should not return from his wicked way, by promising him life. And that's exactly what he is doing in this time right now. So he's censoring anybody that is bringing out any truth, any information concerning what is truly happening right on the earth right now, bringing out prophecy, bringing out the words of the Yahweh Shai. He's been censoring. He's been censoring. That's what he's doing with these videos. He's censoring anybody that goes into it, that criticizes his wickedness. Okay, that criticizes him for being deceitful, for being a devil, and that's what he's doing. And then leaving all these channels out here that are speaking lies, basically that are brainwashing the people with false doctrines, with this wicked wine. And this is just going into that precept, because what he's doing right now, okay, what he's doing right now, leaving all these videos out here that can indoctrinate you people, leaving all these videos out here to distract you from what's actually going on, because right now if you go into these videos that aren't getting flagged, lots of videos, whether they are men in the truth or not, people that are bringing out truth, that are bringing out facts, okay, they're getting flagged, they're getting taken down. All these videos about, even the videos about the medical practitioners, the medical experts that are going down on this infection, talking about what's really going on, they're getting flagged and they're getting brought down as well. Any Twitter that is bringing out information about this infection are getting brought down as well. They are being censored all around, and what is left is what the lies. Okay, and this is going on all over the earth. But it is mostly for you Israelites. Because this word has been coming out too much and it's kicking Esau in the ass. That makes me think about the Apostle Tahar, because I think two of his channels got taken down in just the past month. What is the 666 mark? What is the 666 mark part? The second channel, and also GMS Doc YouTube. The two channels got flagged in just the past month, and I believe I have to make a new channel. I have to make another channel once again. But you see what he is doing, man. All it just shows is that the famine of the world is coming, because you never consider that just me, a random brother that's not even living in Babylon. That Esau would have his sights set on me like that. But lesson learned. So I just wanted to bring out some, just say a few things concerning this ban that he just sent to me, because the first one that he sent, I was like, okay, yeah, this is definitely my fault, because I should be more careful with my words. But this second one, okay, this is not my fault. And this is not hateful, and it was not hateful content. There wasn't any cussing out any Edomites. There wasn't any talking about this person is going to die, or this person is going to go into slavery, or this is going to happen to this person. Right? It was just using just a video of Fauci with his own mouth, his own face, and his own words, talking, exposing himself. These devils, this is just wickedness from E right now. Here we bring out the video of you devils with your own mouth, with your own tongue, with your own face, exposing yourselves, and then you take down the video for quote unquote violating, okay, violating hate speech policy. When nobody, when the only people that are talking in this video were so does that mean that the Fauci was spewing hate speech with his comments? But anyway, it's like, yeah, let me not go too deep into that. Let me just close out here, before I get another strike again, because with this YouTube right now, you can expect anything, expect the unexpected. Alright, so with that, I'm just going to give all praises, honor, and glory unto Yahweh, Bahasham, Yahwashai, Bahasham, Rachak, Wadash. And this is beautiful, man, because all it just means that this kingdom is coming to its bitter end, to its America end. Alright, so so with that, I hope you Akim and you Aquat, the 2095 video. So let's forget about that. But anyway, wa abad babal, shalom.